And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. And what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Oreo hot cocoa blizzard. So this is a third blizzard that I'm trying because, like I've said, they came out with 5 blizzards for the fall, and you guys already know your boy is gonna be on each and every one of them. So this one is different. So Oreo hot cocoa. So you guys already know I'm a fan of Oreo, so can't wait to see how this is gonna be. And this have whipped cream on there, so this should be interesting. You guys already know what's going on here. So, like I've said, it is limited edition. All the new blizzards they come out with for the fall is limited edition because it's like seasonal. So I make sure I say this before I jump into the video. So make sure you try it before it's gone because it is going to go away. So you guys already know the drill. I'm going to try this and let you guys know just how I feel about it. And before I start, I like to admire stuff before I try it. Because like Oreo hot cocoa. So I guess it's like flavored with Oreo. So you guys know I like Oreo. Oreo is one of my favorite cookies or whatever. So this should be interesting. So here we go. And this is actually medium, by the way. Here we go. Woo. Man, this is sweet. Like there's more small chips of Oreo inside it. Let me try some of the whipped cream. Bussin', man. This is sweet. This is not something you can drink on a hot day. Good thing it's like flavored for fall. Because like this is sweet. Oreo hot cocoa. This sort of remind me of when I tried their new frozen, what's it called? Frozen hot chocolate. Bro, that was extremely sweet. Like I can feel my blood sugar going up. mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Small little chips of Oreo inside it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. You can't give your kids this. With all the level of sweet that's inside of this, your kid's gonna be up for the whole night. Oh man, this is sweet. Try some more. Yep. But small chips of Oreo inside it. I don't know how to say Oreo hot cocoa. blizzard, but it's actually cool. First time I saw it, I was like, Oreo hot cocoa. I was like, hot? I was like, ah, how you gonna have a hot blizzard? Because like blizzard should be frozen. Mmm. Mmm. I'm not gonna eat anymore. Because this is extremely sweet. I give this literally 10 out of 10. Like, it's bussin'. It's called Oreo hot cocoa. Bro, when I say extremely sweet, you guys know I'm not kidding. Because like, out of all the blizzard that I've tried, or all the different kind of stuff that I've tried, if I say it is extremely sweet, it is extremely sweet. Sorry, like look at my eyes. You can see my eyes like wide open. That's like the sugar pumping in me. That sounds weird. Yeah, but you guys understand what I mean. But like, this is extremely sweet, bro. If you got kids, I wouldn't recommend you give your kids this at like say 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. because when I say this is sweet, bro, this gonna have you up. Bro, this is even sweeter than ice cream. I don't know why, but when it comes to say Oreo or Reese's or like those, or Snickers, like those kind of stuff, it is always sweet. This remind me of when Dairy Queen came out with their, what's it called, their summer drinks, and they had frozen hot chocolate. Bro, that was extremely sweet. I thought, excuse me, I could feel my blood sugar going up, and the same like this. You guys must be like, I thought you said you ain't gonna eat no more. So I'm gonna put this back. Maybe later I'll probably go get it, but now, no man. This is extremely too sweet, bro. Imagine all the calories you're gonna get. Make sure you try it before it's gone. So there's nothing wrong with eating like say sweet stuff, but make sure you're in the gym burning them calories. So you eat them when your body start like processing them, and then your body have all those high cholesterol. Make sure you're in the gym running and burning your calories off. But this is extremely sweet, bro. I strongly recommend this. 10 out of 10, hands down. Oreo hot cocoa. Strongly recommend this, but not for your kid, for you. But this, it's a good thing. It's like say fall flavor, because like fall is like say, I feel like fall is like temperature wise is like say spring, because like, you know, winter is cold, and then you got spring that is sort of warming up, so it's like cool, not cold. But I think fall is like cool, getting ready for winter. So the good thing this is a fall flavor, bro, because you can probably be dehydrated if you drink this on say a really hot day when it's like 35 degrees. That's like what, maybe 90 something Celsius. So good thing it's a fall flavor, bro. So there you guys have it. I gave this 10 out of 10. This is the third one that I've tried. I said second, I don't know why. So they came out with 6 new blizzards, and you guys know I will be trying each and every one of them. This is the third one that I've tried, and this is bussin'. So there you guys have it. I strongly recommend it. Make sure you try it before it's gone. It is limited edition. Like I said, it's for the fall, seasonal. So make sure you guys try it. But I'm not sure about you giving your kid this at say 6 or 7 or 8 p.m. Unless it's like a Saturday night or a Friday night. Then that's all good. You do you. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your boy will be back trying and doing a bunch of stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.